Hello, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of pumpkin seeds and how they can become an everyday staple in your life. You might be surprised to discover just how versatile and beneficial these little seeds can be. So, stick around as we explore the various ways we use pumpkin seeds every day. Before we get started, let's talk about the basics. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are packed with essential nutrients. They're rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Plus, they taste great. First up, let's discuss snacking. Pumpkin seeds make for a fantastic, guilt-free snack. They're crunchy, satisfying, and easy to carry around. Whether you're at work, school, or on the go, a small handful of pumpkin seeds can keep your energy levels up and those hunger pangs at bay. Number 1. Trail mix. Speaking of snacks, have you ever tried making your own trail mix? Pumpkin seeds are a must-have ingredient. Combine them with dried fruits, nuts, and a touch of dark chocolate for a delicious and nutritious trail mix that's perfect for hikes, road trips, or just a midday pick-me-up. Number 2. Breakfast boost. Now, let's move on to breakfast. Pumpkin seeds can add a nutritious punch to your morning routine. Sprinkle them on top of your yogurt, oatmeal, or even into your smoothie. They provide a delightful crunch and a boost of vitamins and minerals to start your day right. Number 3. Salad topping. For those of you who love salads, pumpkin seeds make an excellent topping. They add texture and a nutty flavor that pairs wonderfully with greens. Plus, they're a great source of zinc, which is beneficial for your immune system and skin health. Number 4. Pumpkin seed butter. Ever heard of pumpkin seed butter? It's a fantastic alternative to peanut or almond butter. You can spread it on toast, use it as a dip for veggies, or even add it to your smoothies. It's not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and protein. Number 5. Cooking and baking. Don't limit pumpkin seeds to snacking or breakfast. You can also incorporate them into your cooking and baking. Add them to your homemade granola, bread, or even use them as a crunchy coating for chicken or fish. The possibilities are endless. Health benefits. Besides being delicious and versatile, pumpkin seeds offer several health benefits. Rich in nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin E, and B vitamins, especially B2, B3, and B5. They also provide essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron. Heart health. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of heart-healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. They can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and support overall cardiovascular health. Weight management. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in pumpkin seeds can promote a feeling of fullness and help control appetite. This can aid in weight management and potentially prevent overeating. Rich in antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which can help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This may reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Improved immune function. The zinc content in pumpkin seeds is crucial for a well-functioning immune system. Regular consumption may help boost immune responses and reduce the severity and duration of colds. Better sleep. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that can help promote better sleep. Tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, both of which regulate sleep patterns. Prostate health. Some studies suggest that the compounds in pumpkin seeds may have a protective effect on the prostate. They may help reduce the risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and related urinary symptoms in men. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of pumpkin seeds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with many chronic diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. Digestive health. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion. They can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Bone health. The magnesium content in pumpkin seeds is important for maintaining strong bones. It works in conjunction with calcium to support bone health and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Skin health. The combination of vitamins E and C in pumpkin seeds can contribute to healthy, youthful-looking skin. These vitamins help protect the skin from UV damage and promote collagen production. Mood and mental health. The nutrients in pumpkin seeds, including magnesium and zinc, play a role in regulating mood and reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. So there you have it, folks. Pumpkin seeds, a small but mighty ingredient that can easily become a part of your everyday routine. From snacking to cooking to boosting your health, these little seeds have a lot to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you're as excited about incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily life as we are. If you have any pumpkin seed recipes or tips, please share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep enjoying the simple joys of life. See you in the next video.